Okay, hat. But the bigger, the better.
You know, the big one. I like some big. Wow.
Ready. Everybody, my name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, today is all about designer dupes and I found some really good ones. We all love a designer piece. We all love the way it looks in our homes, on our bodies, but not necessarily the price. And y'all know me, I love to get the look for less. So I curated this haul and I'm bringing it to a screen near you. Well, we're already here, but yeah, y'all get the point. Today's haul is curated with designer look pieces you'll see all over Pinterest, all over Instagram, even on TikTok. So yeah, let's jump right into it because it's a good one.
Like the kid, here go.
First up is something that I've actually had for a while, but I never got around to sharing it with you guys. It is this Travertine console table here to my left in my bedroom, and it is to die for. I will insert some footage with it cleared out so you can see the full body. You can see it in all of its glory. I actually found it on Facebook Marketplace and you guys won't believe how cheap I got it for. So if you search for this console table on 1stDibs or Cherish or even Etsy, well over $1,000. The seller on Facebook Marketplace had it listed for $300. So I had to get it. I kind of had to play it off though when we got there because the guy, it was a married couple, really nice couple. They had just moved and they were changing up the aesthetic of their home and the piece just didn't fit anymore. So he was like, yeah, I really hate to let it go. You know, we've had this for a while. It's imported from Italy. It's selling for like $3,000 online. And I was like, really?
What?
Like acting confused, like I didn't know the value of it, but obviously I knew how much it was worth. That's why I hopped on it so quick. Ooh, my voice is cracked. Anyway, needless to say, I got it in here and I initially wanted to use it as like an office desk or like a makeup, like vanity type thing, but it just fits so well in here. So for now, this is where it lives and I'm obsessed. Next up is going to be this amazing chair that I found on Overstock. So, backstory. I have been obsessed with Kim and Kanye's home. I've talked about it before in the past. I just love the minimal aesthetic that it gives and it's still designer, like it still feels elevated. So, I've been seeing this chair over and over and over and over again. It's very pricey, very expensive, like it's not cheap at all. I've been working on my little office nook and I needed a chair in there, but I didn't want like a regular office chair like the ones with the rollers.
No.
I wanted it to be cute but still comfy and functional, right? I also ordered this Target chair that I saw on Liz's channel because I thought I wanted something very like clean line, sleek, minimal. So it was either going to be that one or this chair I found in Overstock. So like I said, going through my day-to-day, I just keep seeing this chair pop up everywhere, like the style of it. So I think that's the chair I'm going to go with. I did see this in Julia Havens. If you don't know who she is, she's an amazing YouTube lifestyle content creator. She and her husband, and it just looks so good in her little office nook. So I was like, okay, I gotta get it. The one Julia Havens has is like $900 and the original, I'm sure, is thousands and thousands of dollars, and not Andrea.
No sir, not me.
I couldn't do the $900 chair thing, right? I will link that down below. I actually like the way that one looks a little bit better, but I like the price tag of the Overstock one that I got better. So the more affordable one won. The cheaper one, the one that was cheaper won, and I haven't really sat in it all day to know, you know, the comfort level. So I am going to be testing it out. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. I am going to be testing it out to see if it's something that's going to be feasible in that space. But as for the aesthetic, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Okay, so next up, of course, we have a vase or a vessel, whichever you prefer to say, and it is a total dupe. Can you guys see this? It is a total dupe of the Simone Bodmore Turner one, and actually, I ain't even gonna hold you. It ain't even a dupe. This is like a copy.
Copycat.
I feel like somebody cut out the form of that vase and made this one. I do think this one is smaller, and of course the quality isn't as high as the Simone Bodmore Turner one, but I am in love with it. I am thinking about kind of painting it again to make it a little less stark white and more of a like off-white or cream, and maybe adding some plaster to make it look a little bit more expensive. It is on the lighter side. I'm sure the original is way heavier than this, so I may have to stick some sand in it so it doesn't like tip over or anything when I put it by my sink, which is where I plan on putting it. But I have seen this piece all over my social media accounts. I've been obsessed with it for like ever, and I found this on Etsy for, I think it was like $67, $68, so I could not beat the price. I will link the shop down in the description box, but it's just amazing. Like a very sculptural piece. You guys know I am into that. If you missed my last video, it was all about sculptural pieces. Well, don't click off this now. Wait till after this one. Watch this all the way through. And then go see that one. But I'm just obsessed. I love this. I think it's gonna bring so much to my space. And like I said, it's the look for less. And if this breaks, like I won't be heartbroken. I feel like I get so reluctant to buy high-end pieces that are like fragile, because if it breaks, I'm gonna like cringe. I'm gonna like melt. It's gonna be like, it would be tragic. So I like to get dupes and live with them for a while, and if I still love them like a while after I have them, I may invest in the piece later.
I won't sit here and listen to your lies.
So yeah, love her. Okay, so just bear with me for this next piece because it's actually quite big and may not fit in the frame. But if you're into Scandinavian or Finnish design, is that the term? I don't know. If you're into, I'll put up a picture. If you're into that look, this will blow you away, okay? Because it blew me away. I found this at Homegoods, and it is a lampshade. I actually bought the lamp that it came with, but I only wanted the shade. I think I paid like $30 or $40. You guys know I love a good lamp. I'm slightly, just a little obsessed with lamps, and I just had to have this when I saw it because I have nothing this big. We love the dramatization. I had to get this because I love being grand when I want to. I love miniature things. They're really cute and everything, but the bigger, the better.
You know, the big one. I like them big.
So I am planning on doing a DIY. I'm planning on doing a DIY, one DIY, one day, a DIY, one day,
Bars.
Anyway, I am planning on doing a DIY. My gosh, I am planning on doing a DIY lamp like the ones I did here. So these lamps, if you watched that video, it was a set of these two, the ones I had back here before I repurposed them. I actually have a floor lamp just like those. So I'm going to do the base with the plaster that I did with these. And then I'm going to... hit my dang head. And then I'm going to put this lamp base, or I can't talk today, oh my gosh. Then I'm going to put this lampshade on there, and I'm thinking it may be cool to wrap this in some kind of boucle fabric. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to do it, but it's gonna be epic. Like I said, I just love grand lamps, anything grand. If you can be big and you have the space, definitely do that, and it'll definitely elevate your space. And yeah, just love this. I've seen pieces like this all over my social media accounts, and I feel so lucky to have found it. Like I said, I got it from Homegoods, and it's just good. Ooh. Okay, last but not least, I was so excited to have found this in Homegoods. I have been looking for a bath caddy that didn't look Amazon-ish. Do you know what I mean? Like, I wanted a bath caddy, like something that looks kind of custom, kind of high-end. So when I saw this in Homegoods, I had to get it. I love how asymmetrical and how oddly shaped it is. I'm trying to give you guys, there we go. I think that's good. I love how oddly shaped this is. It looks very just natural, like somebody literally cut it out of a tree and said, hey, it's a bath caddy. Here you go, buy this. So I had to get it. It was only $19.99, and I have seen pieces like this on Athena Calderon's page. I actually think she sells them. I don't know if it was a collab or it was just her that made it, but she always puts that bath caddy on her bathtub in her amazing bathroom and posts it on her page or her stories, and every time I fall in love with it. So in case of somebody out there that really wants the designer one that I mentioned, it's Athena Calderon in calibration in collaboration with the Wooden Palette. Theirs is $325. You could pay $325 if you want, but I'll just pay this little $19.99 until I find a more permanent space, and I gotta like that because right now I don't. So my bathrooms are a little Belgian modern vibe, and I have some wood pieces in there. So I thought this would be amazing. I only bought one because in my other bathroom, nobody really takes a bath in there. So I didn't want to be wasteful. I like that it's double-sided, and it comes with like this. I actually don't really like the hole.
That's what she said.
I mean, I guess, I don't know why they did that. I feel like it would have been way better if it was just filled, but I guess you can put like a can or a bottle in here and it won't, you don't have to worry about it tipping over into the water. So it has this side where, actually let me take this. No, it's stapled. Is it gonna mess up? Homegoods, why do you do this? Why do you like put stickers on stuff that ruins the whole thing and then put staples in this? I'm gonna have to figure it out later. But so you have this side that's very minimal, not really a lot going on, and then you have this side where if you need space for like your tablet, you know, to watch your movies or whatever while you're taking a bath, it has this little indentation here and the little indentation right here for your phone. And I love how it doesn't look, it's not like right in your face, like boom, there's holes and stuff everywhere. Well, except for this hole. There's stuff everywhere for your phone and your camera and everything, because I have bought bath caddies before that I returned because I just didn't like the aesthetic of them. But these are very subtle. So I love this, and I cannot wait to use it in my bathroom after I figure out how to take these staples out. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope some of these pieces gave you some inspiration and kind of gave you an idea of what you need to be looking for in the stores. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.